here is what is going on in crypto right now and why it's important to the movement. Did you know that AI might make traditional stocks obsolete, or that a governor is launching a political meme coin?
Hi, I'm Harry.
And I'm Lana.
And today we're going to do a deep dive on some of the most fascinating developments shaking up the crypto world right now.
Okay, so let's kick things off with a claim that's definitely turning heads in traditional finance. Investor Jordi Visser. He's making this pretty bold prediction.
Oh yeah? What's that?
He thinks AI's acceleration, the sheer speed of innovation, could actually make traditional stocks obsolete. Is that just like hyperbole, or is there something real there?
Well, that's a huge question, right? But I think the insight isn't just about speed. It's more about how AI, with its intense data processing and predictive abilities, it fundamentally messes with traditional company valuation. And that uncertainty, well, it pushes smart capital to look for stability, not just any stable store of value, but specifically assets like Bitcoin.
Because Bitcoin's value isn't tied to company earnings in the same way.
Precisely. It's driven by scarcity, it's decentralized network, factors that AI doesn't necessarily destabilize in the same manner. Bitcoin, sitting around $107,624 currently, shows that resilience. It positions itself as a hedge against this increasingly unpredictable AI-driven market.
And this next story is California Governor Gavin Newsom is apparently planning to launch something called a Trump corruption coin.
A political meme coin.
Yeah. So is this just a stunt?
I say it's far more than just a stunt. It really signals a potential shift in political strategy, doesn't it? Yeah. A meme coin, for anyone listening who isn't familiar, is basically a crypto token often inspired by internet jokes or memes.
Right, driven by hype, mostly.
Exactly. Social media, community buzz.
Yeah.
Usually not much inherent utility, very volatile, very sentiment-driven. The stated goal here is to highlight alleged scandals, sure, and fund voter outreach.
All right, finally, let's talk about market sentiment, because that can tell us a lot.
Always important, yes.
Santiment, the analytics firm, they've put out a warning flag. After Bitcoin's recent, 5% drop, they're seeing a big spike in buy the dip talk online. But wait, isn't buying the dip usually seen as a smart move for investors? Why the warning?
But when you see this huge surge in enthusiasm, especially from retail investors, everyday folks jumping in to buy the dip right after a price drop, it often acts as a contrarian signal.
Comment below your thoughts. We give prizes daily for good comments. We are Ovado, and we're building a community where everyday transactions are better for both merchants and users. Get some free coins. You'll be glad you did.